Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we have a look of StormX coin. What's the prices goes in StormX, what's the high price, what's the current price, and what's the change goes at this time, and what is the next target of StormX. In this video I will show you. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel. As you can see here, first of all we look the price of StormX. The price is about 0.060283 USD dollar is the current price of Storm at this time friends. If we look the change occur in StormX coin, as you can see here, a very bad change. The last 1 hour change is negative, the last 1 day is negative, and the last 7 day is also negative friends. The market rank of StormX is 139. And now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the StormX coin. What's the change goes in StormX at this time. As you can see here, the last 1 hour price prediction change goes in StormX as a very badly fast down friends. The last 1 hour change is in 0.4% fast down, and the high price of StormX is about 0.05578 USD dollar is the high price of Storm in the last 1 hour friend. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction, that what's the change goes in the last 1 day. Oh my god, a very bad fast occur in the StormX coin, as you can see here at this time friends. If we look the change occur in the StormX in the last 1 day, so the change is about negative 10.7%, and the high price of the StormX is about 0.0 oh my god 0.06203 USD dollar is the high price of StormX in the last 1 day friends. Now for more details, let's check it out the price chart of the StormX coin. What's the change goes in the StormX coin. As you can see here, now at this time the change goes in the StormX coin is absolutely good at this time friends. I think they move upward at this time friends. If we look the support line, and they are move upward from the support line friends. So that's mean that they struggle for jumping. A big move of the StormX are coming soon in the future. As you can see here, they goes like that friends. They goes like that, maybe they fast down. We can't say about the future of any cryptocurrencies, but there is a lot of chances to them move upward, and 30% chances to they fast down, 70% chances to they move upward. So what's your opinion about StormX? Please share your opinion in a comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency markets.